This is a 2006 Mazda 6. This is a V6 in manual transmission model. Obviously it's manual transmission because we are working on the clutch hydraulics. I'm pretty sure this is your clutch fluid hydraulic reservoir, although I don't know where the brake master cylinder is. So I don't know if that's the clutch or the brakes. But the transmission is under all of this. So we're going to start removing some of this stuff, starting with the battery. All right, so with just a 10mm, I was able to disconnect the battery and pull out the battery tray. And I have now located the clutch slave. If you see that loop-de-loop there in the bottom left corner, it's down there. So this looks like we're going to be doing this from the bottom. I still haven't located the bleed valve, so that's our next step, is finding the bleeder. All right, so this is what a brand new one looks like. And when we go under here, right next to the exhaust, there it is. I've already got 12mm on it. Should be able to just undo those two, and then we'll use a box wrench to get off the line. And then we'll put the new one in, and it looks like it's not going to be fun to bleed it, but it looks like it's possible. So that's what we're doing. All right, I replaced the slave cylinder. If you undo the two mounting bolts, because it's got the line with the multiple whoop-de-doos, you can actually kind of pull this whole thing out, so it's easier to deal with. It's easy enough to get that line off with it in this area, but it was seemingly impossible for me to get the threads started on the clutch line with it there, so I kind of had to use the whoop-de-doo bends to bring it out to get the threads started, and then I put everything back. So anyways, our next step is just to bleed it, and then we should have a working clutch again. So I hope this video helped you if you needed to know any of this stuff. To be fair, the Autozone computer warned me that it is extremely difficult to bleed the clutch on a Mazda 6. I have no idea why, so I am just going to hope for the best. All right, final thoughts. The clutch bled pretty easily. It took us 10 minutes to casually do it. There were literally no surprises with the bleeding process. So yeah, it looks like it seems to be pretty straightforward to replace the slave cylinder on one of these. Good luck, everybody.